Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if keeps vibrating on edge 90 fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button and restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on search and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps vibrating on edge 20 edge 90 fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.